Dear friends and dear adversaries, you might already know that I am a recognized refugee and a stateless person in exile for over 14 years and currently held hostage in Greece for over 4 years in the hope of finding asylum, sufficient protection and a place of refuge where it can guarantee my safety, my stability and my progress. I had found myself at the Europe's shores in the year 2014. In Europe, however, not only I have not found any sort of protection, but also due to a shameful misdirection in Greece in the year 2014, I had also suffered an illegal deportation from Sweden back to Greece in September 2015. Due to total lack of protection in Greece, I have constantly addressed my needs to the UN Refugee Agency, UNHCR, which is the responsible agency, and have requested a resettlement referral from this organization for my case to be referred for resettlement in another country ever since my illegal deportation. If you must know, due to Dublin regulations, I will no longer be able to find asylum in other EU countries. Also, due to timing and geographical restrictions, I have also been excluded from benefiting from EU's already failed relocation program. However, refugees have no obligations to stay in a country with no functioning asylum system, no protection of any kind and no security at all, but in the meantime, even in possession of the legal refugee status, still not able to submit a resettlement application to any country on their own, as the procedure strictly requires a resettlement referral from the UN Refugee Agency, UNHCR. In Greece, however, the UN Refugee Agency, UNHCR, even in spite of their shameful misdirection in the year 2014, which not only led to my illegal deportation from Sweden a year after, but has also extended my suffering into many more years, yet for 1.5 years was even denying that this agency has anything to do with refugee resettlement and had called the police on me almost on every occasion that I went to their office and sought assistance. This finally led to announcing a hunger strike and protest at the doorsteps of the organization, which took place on March 21st, 2017. I was initially on hunger strike here for over 64 days and still continuing my protest under the most inhumane, degrading and undignified conditions. Yet there has been no end to the illegal practice of calling the police on me and sending me into detention. Almost on every attempt I tried to reach the organization, they were even calling the police on me on some occasions 3 times a day, even when I was on hunger strike. In addition to these indefinite numbers of illegal detentions at different police facilities, I have also had up to 17 trials at the Greek Court of Evelpidon simply on the counts of attempting to reach the UN Refugee Agency, UNHCR, and seeking help for my life. And so far, I had also had to serve multiple prison sentences as well on the same accounts. Meanwhile, I had as well suffered many physical assaults at the hands of the guards of the UNHCR building, the employees of the organization, and also the Hellenic police. My shelters have been destroyed on many occasions, and my property as well were either confiscated, taken, or stolen. Please also bear in mind that I'm currently unprotected as well for over a year. Today, Monday, April 8, 2019, I will hereby publicize the court's decisions for those particular trials that took place in the year 2017. The list of my trials and those decisions are included below. First, the court's decision number 4141 from the year 2018 on the case number LQ722 from the year 2017. The final court for this trial took place on November 23rd, 2018. In this instance, I was given a 6-month suspended prison sentence. This document has 2 pages. Second, the court's decision number 759 from the year 2017 on the case number PQ 898 from the year 2017. The final court for this trial took place on August 3rd, 2017. In this instance, I was given a 6-month suspended prison sentence. This document has 4 pages. Third, the court decision number 895 from the year 2018 on the case number BQ 1115 from the year 2017. The final court for this trial took place on January 23rd, 2018. Please refer to the documents for the details. This document has 1 page. Fourth, the court decision number 116881 from the year 2017 on the case number Q3873 from the year 2017. The final court for this trial took place on December 7th, 2017. Please refer to the document for the details. This one has 1 page. Fifth, the court decision number 120013 from the year 2017 on the case number ZQ2107 from the year 2017. The final court for this trial took place on December 14, 2017. In this instance, I was given a 6-month suspended prison sentence. This document has 4 pages. Sixth, the court's decision number 338 from the year 2018 on the case number ZQ2225 from the year 2017. The final court for this trial took place on January 9th, 2018. In this instance, I was given an 8-month suspended prison sentence. This document has 5 pages. And lastly, the list of my trials from the year 2017 till February 2019. And this document is 3 pages. I will be publishing the rest of the decision for the years 2018 and the year 2019 in another post. Again, before I go, there is one thing else that I would like to mention, and it is about my Facebook page. After my release from Kos prison, it turned out that Facebook has again restricted me from sharing my posts. Not that all the posts I share get approved in different refugee groups, but yet this is another pain because as far as I can remember, I had only shared 1 post since my release, and yet here we are. God restricted again just for that. I think there are people who are reporting my page, and this could be the reason why this is happening again and again. In any case, the reason for bringing this up is to let you know I would very much appreciate if you interact with my page, and as part of this interaction you may also wish to share some of my posts, like and comment, because your participation, whether it is big or not, can always make a difference, and I am not only well aware of that, but I will always appreciate it. So that was it for now, and thank you very much for your time and attention. I will look forward to your kind solidarity and support in whatever ways possible. Yours respectfully, Anwar Nillufary. Registered case number at the Greek Asylum Service 12826 from the year 2014. Today is Monday, April 8, 2019.